Cool. I like it. That's right. We'll find out if it's the welder or the welder.
Sometimes you gotta step in and show them how it's done.
Well, I didn't want to say it.
I mean, sometimes you gotta put on a paint clinic, sometimes you gotta put on a welding clinic. Nobody's safe.
Nobody's safe. Yeah, he did have a little going on last week, didn't he? I'm gonna move this device out of here that could be fire prone. See if I'm gonna have to turn this thing on. Somewhere in there. Be a good start.
So it was in fact the well door.
It was the well door. I've only made a couple tags so far. I feel pretty good about it.
Well, that's good.
It puts metal. Remember to set this car up. It'd be nice if they would have put it a little closer to the ground. That way, you know, I could maybe wedge my head in here with less than 3 inches between the frame. Wouldn't want to click this thing up a couple notches or anything. I think I'm going to need a saw here in a minute.
Still gotta have a flange. Just up for there.
Okay.
And it seals.
Brother. They're just asking for it at this point.
What are they doing? Who's trolling who?
That's the second time that crap's happened, boy. I see you walking. It's on now.
Wow.
This is what I want to do.
It's probably a good thing to just go home.
I'm not
Prepare.
sitting there.
Yeah, but at least you have time to prepare.
True, I can build a fortress. Let me get it. I gotta get it out anyway. You watching my nutsack or what?
What did he say?
Oh no.
Let's see how this works. I can't see what direction I'm going.
See, this is what they were going for. Something like that. You can see the resemblance.
Oh yeah.
Only thing is, this is just straight silicone.
Technology.
Mechanic.
A-R-Mechanics.
You know, I'm not sure what the.
That's the bottom end of an engine.
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's where she came from.
Yes, now you see it.
Ah. Ah. I understand it now.
It was leaking something fierce too. It's my skin, my all natural skincare regimen. Used motor oil, brake clean. You know, only the best. I've been kind of working on Michael's car here and there, and he was gonna bring it to earth earlier, and he was sitting in it running, and I could see it in his face. He's like,
He wants to let that
he don't want
pony
to.
open up, brother.
He don't want to.
He
let
doesn't
it
want
go,
to part
man.
with it.
Nah.
I mean, dude, he spent
I
all
don't
that
blame
time
him.
building it.
I don't blame him the least bit. You know, I'll support anyone in what they want to do, but I'm not going to tell them what their gut feeling should be. And he backed it out. And I was like hyping him up about selling it too, you know, just because I thought that's what he wanted to do. But you could tell he was like, he didn't want to go. I was like, what? I was like, go with your gut, man. Your gut don't mislead you. I was like, I'm gonna go pull this car in. And I went and got in this car, went to back up. And he comes walking up. He's like, I ain't selling that shit. Hey man, whatever you want to do. I think he wants to race it somewhere. I don't know where or what. I think he wants to enjoy it a little bit. You know?
I'd like to get him out at TMS, dude. Get to ripping on it a little
I hate
bit.
to say it, but we really should have gone to Good Guys.
Yeah.
Because Good Guys had
Have the drifting demos, the
they had
autocross.
the drift demo. Like, you could have
Yeah.
played with it in a couple different disciplines, you know?
But if we take him to one of those drift and drag events, he can get out on the main track. Go
I don't
make
know
it.
if he'd want to drift it, just because, like...
Oh no, just to get out there and let it, you know,
Oh, you
open
could
up.
just run the course and go...
Yeah, that's
you
what
know,
I'm saying.
you don't
Yeah,
have to
just
drift
run
it.
that shit. 'Cause
Right.
I mean, they've had people do that, come out and do autocross
course.
and stuff.
You're not going to tear up the track any worse than a drifter. Just-
Yeah. And then maybe hit up the little no prep drag and see how it does.
Yeah. That would be a fun event for that car. Didn't go off
That's
the
why
back.
I went off and destroyed my side
Oh,
skirt.
you will fuck up shit if you go off that. Dude, I've seen lots of wrecks across that section.
Sean,
What's going on, pimp?
how you doing?
I'm doing good. Happy couple days after.
Thank you.
You have
Appreciate
a good one?
that. Yeah, it was all right.
Wow.
Got me some new spy glasses, son.
I noticed. What's that about?
Camera's over here.
No way.
Hell yeah.
I like it. They're a little geeky looking, but you know,
It's
whatever.
all right. Hey, they're transitional glasses. They're
transitioning.
sunglasses. They're trannies.
For training.
And they're
Purple
transitioning
trannies.
from guys that date girls to guys that date guys.
Guys.
It's okay. I'm still gonna be your friend because I'm not weirded out
I think
by
you
shit
got
like
mistaken with my father who drives a Ford with all those gay stickers on it.
that. You guys are fucking wrong, dude. But it makes me happy that you guys do that. You know?
Y'all want to see how to blow up a Dana 30? No, I'm just kidding.